Welcome to YouTube, and welcome back to Auto Reviews, where we bring you the latest, fastest, and most luxurious rides hitting the roads. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting electric sedans to arrive for the 2026 model year, the 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire. If you thought EVs were all about being quiet and practical, this one is about to change your perception forever. The Lucid Air Sapphire is more than just a high-performance variant of the already impressive Lucid Air 8. It's a statement of what modern electric performance can achieve. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know it means business. Lucid has taken the already sleek, futuristic styling of the Air and given it an even more aggressive and performance-focused look. The Sapphire trim stands out with exclusive deep blue paintwork, carbon fiber accents, and aerodynamic enhancements that don't just look good but improve high-speed stability and airflow management. Under the skin, the 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire is powered by a mind-blowing 3-motor all-wheel drive system. That's right, a 1 motor in the front and 2 at the rear, providing torque vectoring capability and astonishing acceleration. Combined, this powertrain produces over 1,234 horsepower and 1,430 pounds-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful production sedans ever made. Lucid claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 1.9 seconds, putting it in hypercar territory while still offering 4 doors and a full luxury interior. And speaking of performance, the Sapphire isn't just built for straight-line speed. Thanks to its dual rear motor setup, the car can independently control torque to each rear wheel, dramatically improving cornering agility and grip. It rides on a specially tuned adaptive air suspension system, with bespoke Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires developed specifically for this model. Massive carbon ceramic brakes come standard to ensure that all that speed can be hauled down with confidence. But speed isn't everything, especially in a luxury EV like this. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends cutting-edge technology with classic elegance. The Sapphire treatment continues inside with unique sapphire blue leather and Alcantara upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and special sapphire badging throughout the interior. The 34-inch floating glass cockpit display stretches across the dash, accompanied by a retractable center screen for a clean, uncluttered look when desired. The rear seat experience is equally impressive, with generous legroom, reclining seats, and a full-length panoramic glass roof that bathes the cabin in natural light. Lucid also upgraded the sound system for the Sapphire model, with a state-of-the-art Surreal Sound Pro system that delivers studio-quality audio through 21 speakers, ensuring your favorite tracks sound as thrilling as the car drives. In terms of range, the Lucid Air Sapphire continues to impress, with an estimated 427 miles of range on a single charge, even with all that performance on tap. And thanks to Lucid's advanced 900 volts electrical architecture, it can recover up to 300 miles of range in just 20 minutes using a DC fast charger. Safety and driver assistance tech are also top tier, with the latest version of Lucid's Dream Drive Pro system, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and a comprehensive suite of sensors and cameras to keep you safe. To wrap it up, the 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire is more than just a high-performance EV. It's a luxury hyper-sedan that blends mind-bending speed with daily usability, cutting-edge technology, and sophisticated design. It's proof that electric vehicles can be exhilarating without compromising on luxury or practicality. If you're as impressed by the new Lucid Air Sapphire as we are, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Reviews, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our latest car reviews and automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.